everybody, welcome back to another vlog, SMD vlog, and today I'm showing you my Angry Bird collection, Angry Bird swag. So yeah, first up, Yellow Bird, don't make any noise, it's busted, and next up, Blue Bird, he's my favourite, utterly my favourite, because look at him, he's so damn cute. Look at it. Beep. Okay, and this is the Red Bird. Makes noise. So yeah. And we've also got the Green Bird. The Green Bird is slightly bigger than him. And also, there's going to be a brand new Angry Bird collection video because I'm going to get the Golden White Bird soon. Whoa, what's going on with this guy? Okay, that sounded weird and creepy. Anyway, this is the Bomb Bird. So yeah, very nice, makes noise. And we've got an Angry Bird speaker here. And yeah, pretty damn nice, look at it. I wouldn't mind having this as a normal action figure, because look at it, it's just insane. I really want this to be an action figure. Imagine if it was. And this isn't an Angry Bird thing, but I just thought, it's so cool, so I might as well show you it. It is an egg popping chicken. How cool is that? Look, stretchy legs, insane. It's got its own little tail, which I thought was a busted part. Wings, neck, and he's fat. And shall I tell you why? This looks very wrong, but yeah, look, check it out. He's got an egg. How cool is this? Yeah, literally epic. So yeah, that is pretty much all I wanted to show you in this episode. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. But for now, that's it from me, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye!